We have discussed basics of Python and arithmetic operators, logical operators. So in this video, I will start from directly from conditional statements. Basically, conditional statements are the statements that provides a simple and effective method to decide the step based on specific text expression. In Python, if we use if statement as a conditional statement, there are three variations of these if statement. Likely if statements and if else statements, if else statements, and last is nested if statements. If we discuss about if statement, but before starting it, I will tell you that in this video I will cover only if statements. So the if statement is the most straightforward decision making statement. Like no complication is there, as you can see in the chart also. Yeah, start like this. Okay. It is used to decide whether a specific statement or a block of statement will be executed or not. Yeah. If a specific condition is true, then a block of statement is executed, otherwise not. The syntax of this statement that is it is if in conditions start, it will ask user to input name or any other things like we have discussed and back topics, how to add a user as input. If it is name west, it will go output. If this is not, it will go end. Likely it is like this. If creating a variable a equals to, it is not integer type variable, so directly input, take inputs from the user. Yeah, enter. Yeah. Okay. Not basically we can take integer also. A equals to int uh, int, then input, then enter your marks, enter your mark. Then, yeah, in this step we are using if statement. Uh, in this slide we are using if statement. Okay, sorry, statement. Mhm. It is like if a greater than equals to, greater than equals to 9. Yeah, like if a greater than equals to 9, if a if a greater than equals to 9, then colon, colon is very important, okay? Grade equals to a. Like if your value of a is greater or equals to the 9, then you will get grade A. It is basically like your school system. Uh, then print good job. Then print grade. Yeah, the fate. Yeah, when we start output for this, it will ask my marks. If I enter 3, oh sorry, 10. Good job. It will like this. If my marks is 3 or 9, 10, it is good that it is greater than 10. Well, it is greater than 9. It will print grade A. Like grade A, print good job, print grade. If we add else statement here, but another video I will cover for else statement. So there are basically lots of examples for this. If I go for word statement, yeah. So as given in uh, this statement, a question like Mr. West, Mr. West. If a equals to Mr. Mr. West colon. Yeah, this is basically Python word if a statement. In last part, we have done for uh, number statement or integer statement. In this, we going to with a word statement. You can see the image here. It is like ask user to input a name. See, asking user to input his name, her name. Then it will go as out. Uh, if name is Mr. West, then it will show you are awesome. Your I've changed the code to your phone has been unlocked. Then print name. So basically, there also we have like this. uh, uh, Here we have done this uh, print grade. It's just exactly same. But in the word statement, we usually double equals, not using any logical operators. So again, yeah, we use here double equals. So even when we user input his name, like I enter Mr. West. If input name is input variable is Mr. West, exactly same. So it will display your phone has been unlocked. Print Mr. West, like the name. It is basically a type of phone lock. When we unlock any phone, it will display like this. It is a basically most easiest part of creating a lock for a phone. Then running it, it will ask my name, Mr. West. Okay, Mr. West. Your phone has been unlocked, Mr. West. Okay, what I input here, it will display here. Okay. Thank you for watching. If yeah, in another video, I will show how to create an if-else statement. Then we will use after this what would be happen like else. Else means what would happen next if user input is beyond the instruction given to the Python program. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe and like, comment, share also. Thank you.